I will come to your country, not just as a traveler, not just as a visitor passing by, but as someone whose heart already belongs there. Because you are there, I will come across distance, across time, across every obstacle that once felt too far to cross. Because love does not measure miles, it measures meaning. And you mean everything to me. I will come with dreams in my hands and your name in my heart, with hope in my eyes and a future I can almost see, waiting on the other side of this distance. I will come, not empty, not lost, but ready, ready to stand before you, to look into your eyes, without a screen between us, without silence interrupting us, without distance holding us back. I will come because every day without you feels incomplete. Every night without your presence feels too quiet. And every moment I imagine you near reminds me that distance is only temporary. I will come to the place where your footsteps echo, where your voice belongs, where your world exists, because that is the place my heart wants to be. I will come not just to see you, but to feel you near, to hold your hand and know that this is real, to stand beside you and finally say, I made it. I will come, no matter how long it takes, no matter how difficult the path, no matter how many nights I have to wait, because some journeys are worth every struggle, and this journey is for you. I will come with patience in my soul, with determination in my steps, with a promise that I will not stop until I reach you, because you are not just a destination, you are the reason I keep moving forward. I will come, and when I do, everything will feel different. No more distance, no more waiting, no more wondering when we will finally meet, because that moment will be ours. I will come and I will look at you the way I always imagined, with a heart full of truth, with eyes that have waited for this exact moment. I will come, and when I stand before you, I won't need many words, because everything I have been feeling will already be there, in my presence, in my smile, in the way I hold you close, like I never want to let go again. I will come, not just for today, not just for a moment, but for a future we can build together. Because love like this is not meant to stay far apart forever. It is meant to come together, to grow, to live. I will come, and when I do, this distance will only be a memory, a story we will look back on and smile, knowing that no matter how far we were, we still found our way to each other. This is not just a journey from one place to another, it is a journey from who I was to who I am becoming. Because of you, I will come carrying every dream we ever spoke about, every late night conversation, every promise that lived between us, even when distance tried to silence it. I will come through airports and long roads, through waiting lines and restless hours, with a heart that refuses to give up, with a soul that already knows where it belongs. Because home is not a country, it is you. I will come, and when I finally arrive, I will not rush the moment. I will stand there just for a second, just to breathe it in. The reality that you are no longer just a voice, just a message, just a dream, but someone standing right in front of me. I will come to close the distance that once felt endless, to replace every one day with right now, to turn every imagination into something real. I will come and I will learn your world, your streets, your skies, the way the sun sets, where you live, the places that shaped you into the person I love. Because loving you means loving everything around you too. I will come not as a stranger, but as someone who already carries you in every part of his life. And when I reach you, I won't just say, I traveled far. I will say, I found my way. Every distance will disappear. Every wait will feel worth it. Every lonely night will turn into a memory we no longer carry alone. I will stand beside you, not as a dream, but as reality finally close, finally yours, finally where my heart was always meant to be.